stuck here too damn long, singing someone else's song. Dust on my boots and a heavy heart. It's high time I make a brand new start. The wind keeps whispering my name, saying, boy, don't die in chains. I don't need no map or plan, just a one-way ride to where I can. I need a fast train, no delays, one that don't stop till the past decays. Steel wheels humming like a getaway tune, chasing down a red-hot moon. Out of this town, out of this pain, yeah, I need a fast train. Too many nights staring at the floor, waiting for dreams that ain't dreaming no more. I gave my best, but it ain't enough. Time to trade regret for something tough. Give me smoke, give me speed, give me distance. That's what I need. Let that engine scream my name and carry me far from all this shame. I need a fast train, thunder loud, blowing straight through this broken downtown. Don't want goodbye, don't want tears, just that rhythm ringing in my ears. Nothing left here I can't explain on. I need a fast train. I'm running free from all the things that buried me. When that whistle cries, I won't look back. I'll be gone with the clicky clack. I need a fast train, clear the line, let me chase what was always mine. Full steam rolling into the night, with a heart set right and the stars in sight. Ain't no slow ride gonna ease my brain.